Hello and welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? My name is Lynn and I have Crafter's Companion box 50. Recently, I have a lot of Crafter's Companion boxes, even though I don't subscribe. The only way you can actually subscribe is through HSN, and they only open up the subscription a couple times a year. But because it takes me so long to get to these boxes, I'm not super eager to have them as soon as they come out. And what I'd rather do is just wait for Crafter's Companion to put these boxes on sale on their website, which they often do several times throughout the course of the year. And then when you are lucky enough to catch something like a warehouse clearance sale or birthday event or something like that, it gets even further reduced. So even at the subscription price, these boxes are a really good deal for what you get inside. This one is the paper piecing one, and it can make a minimum of 16 cards, which is really just to say that they've provided 16 card blanks and envelopes, but you can make well more than that once you're done with what they've provided. And it looks now so my bet is that they are really trying to keep the cost of this box the same. And with the price of lots of things increasing, what they're doing is sort of changing their process a little bit and changing the offering a little bit so that it's more economical. So now it looks like, and I haven't gotten a box in a while, but now it looks like we're getting just the one size of card base, and it's 4x6 with the matching envelopes. Now, it used to be that we got different card sizes, different types of fun folds, easel cards, and the like, and so it's kind of different now. So we could still get ribbon, which is really nice. 3 different colors in 3 different widths. I do like these smaller ones. They are a little bit more narrow than they used to be like 20 boxes ago, a year and a half, 2 years ago. And I prefer that. I like these more thin ones. I find that personally easier to use. And it looks like we're getting clear, sort of your dewdrop style of embellishments, and I don't mind getting a lot of the clear because you can always color these with your alcohol markers, for example, but I feel like this is another sort of cost-saving measure. So instead of having the multiple colors that would coordinate, you have clear, and that seems to be the new standard. Then we've got, this is different. Okay, these are paper piecing hold and release sheets. And, I have never heard of this before. My guess is that this is paper piecing, and so there's some papers too, which I'll show in a bit, but there's 2 lovely, like a really nice size as well. They are beautiful dies that are great for paper piecing, as the name of the box would suggest, and it's about 3 3/4, I guess, from the tip of that leaf to the tip of that leaf, and maybe about 3 1/4 from the very bottom to the top. And I'm guessing the butterfly is going to be about the same, 3 1/2, and this is about 3 inches, so a little bit smaller. And my guess is, because this is, I don't know if this is how these release sheets are normally sold in this size, but this looks conveniently cut to size here. And my guess is that when you die cut, you would put your I don't know what order it would be, so this is just pure speculation. I'm guessing it goes the die, your paper, and then one of these. And this will actually hold all of the pieces together so that it's really easy for you to paper piece them back in. Let's say you cut it twice of 2 different colors, and then you take the different colors and kind of mix and match them into the different areas to change up the outline versus the sort of the fill areas in between. That's my guess, but I'm actually I've never heard of this, so I'm gonna have to look it up. And the great thing with the Crafter's Companion is they do have a lot of videos on their channel, and so you can often find a video or tutorial or craft along something that explains pretty much every release that they put out. So then we get some gorgeous papers. So we've got 2 sheets each of pattern paper. I would put it at maybe less than 60 pound if I had to guess. The colors are wonderful. I like these. It's very springtime. So that kind of gives you a sense of your color palette, and they are doing a fantastic job of matching the ribbons to the papers. And this is lovely too. Look how well all of that coordinates. I think these are specifically printed to actually match. So it's really, really great. These are white core, and these are thicker than the pattern papers. So I would put this, maybe, this could be 80 pound. Definitely at least I think 65. And so that's your solid color cardstock. And all of these cardstocks are 8x8. And then we have white and black, which I think is great because you might often want to die cut out of black so that you get a black outline, maybe for the butterfly, and then some colorful inlaying of the die cut pieces that would make for a really striking combination. And I didn't show it, so let me pop back to the stamp set. And this is kind of cool. Oh yeah. Are there duplicates? No. Oh, okay. So that's really cool. Different fonts. I thought that maybe that you would get duplicates but in different fonts, but they're actually all different. And it's great because a lot of these look to be very general purpose, but you do have some, and I like this, you do have some that are kind of punny, to kind of, well, not punny, they're just they just go with the butterfly or the flower. So for example, Fluttering by Just to Say, so that would maybe be combined really well with the butterfly, and then it says Just to Say, so then you can fill in the occasion or sentiment. You have Live Life in Full Bloom, so that might go well with the flower. You've got those are the 2. So that's pretty cool. And I like that they have them at all, and that everything else is very general purpose, so that this becomes just a really nice staple to have in your craft room. So that is Craft Kit 50, which is all about paper piecing. When I craft with this box, which I don't know when that will be, because at this point I have a lot of boxes I have not crafted with, but I just find when these go on sale, it's just too hard not to buy them. So what I'll do is I will pop, when I craft with this box, I'll pop it into my Crafter's Companion playlist. So that's where you'll find all of my process videos, tutorials, and shares where I feature Crafter's Companion products. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.